Hi. At Vuram, we have a very simple dream and a very powerful dream that we all believe in. Our dream is to create the best nourishing workplace, the happiest workplace, where creative minds and passionate hearts come together to redefine services and deliver ingenious solutions. Let's take a look at the first part. It's people with creative minds and passionate hearts. We put in a lot of effort in ensuring that the right people join us. When we started the company, Appian was the prime focus. Appian is a BPM technology, one of the leading products in the BPM industry. We've since grown. Every single person in this organization contributes directly to the growth of this organization through following our principles, through following our values, and by being innovative and by being creative in everything we do. The place I'm sitting is where this company was actually started. Today, we have offices in about 6 countries and we're expanding into the 7th country. We have 3 offices in India. We have an office in Bangalore, in Chennai, in Tiruchi, and we have offices in US, in Australia, Mexico, in Netherlands, in Canada, and we're getting into the Middle East by opening an office in the Saudi market. We work with companies across various verticals, be it telecommunications, be it retail, be it manufacturing, be it government organizations. We're across all the verticals solving real-world business problems through use of technology platforms across BPM, RPA, AI, and analytics. The word Vuram means nourishment or fertilizer, literally means fertilizer, but translates to nourishment in the Tamil language. And why did we keep that name? That's what we want to be. We want to be the nourishment for our people. Our people are the nourishment for our customers, and together we're the nourishment for the society. That's what we want to be, and that's part of our dream, to create a nourishing and the happiest workplace. One of our non-profit initiatives is the Humane Life. It's an initiative. Our big picture vision is to be that one platform, is to be that one technology that anybody in the world goes to for anything related to non-profit. Be it donating your time, be it donating in kind, or through any other means. Be it finding about an organization in a place that you are, ensuring that the right people at the right place get the right things. That's what we want to be. We always believe in doing the right things, even at the most trying and the toughest times. We always stick by our values and principles. It's a cliche. People are the asset, but for us, it is true. It's the people that make Vuram.
Transparency,
open mind policy,
flat organization,
respect for people,
sharing and caring,
freedom with responsibility,
learning from mistakes,
work-life balance,
fun while you work,
culture,
meritocracy,
being elevated.
It is important for everyone in the company to know what is the dream of the company, what is the long-term goal, what is the short-term goal, what is the roadmap to it, where are we now, what are the mistakes we have made in the past, and what are the learnings we have from that. All hands meeting is the place where we talk about all these things.
At Vuram, everyone is encouraged to come up with ideas which can make the workplace greater. My idea was Success Bell. The purpose of Success Bell is to let others know about new projects, appreciation from clients, and other happy moments. My idea was welcomed by all the Vuramites. I felt so excited when my idea was implemented and to see it go live.
There is no many mid-level managers in our organization, and our teams were also mostly self-organized. Due to the absence of many mid-level managers, anyone in Vuram will be able to share their thoughts and ideas to the management, share their opinions and ask questions to the management.
Since 2010, when Vuram was established, we celebrate this day as Vuram Day. We use Uram Day as an opportunity to thank our families and to let them know that we recognize their sacrifice. We invite the families to spend time with us and to let them know our work culture, our belief, our vision, and last but not the least, how much they matter to us. Back in 2016, we invited the families with the defense background to appreciate their service for the country. This is our way to thank our families and to respect them.
At any time when we struggle or we need any help, we can open to reach out anyone here, and we get full support for the same without any hesitation.
People here are friendly and helping mind. We do share and care from all the aspects, like sharing our learnings, our knowledge, and engaging them in any technical activities and so on.
In my projects, I was given a liberty to schedule my works, given an opportunity to explore the new technology, to learn something new, and also to take the right decisions. All the projects and the members have their own freedom to make the right decision, which is best of all.
When I was started managing the Bangalore office, I actually missed one of the festival to be celebrated. The management helped me to understand how these become essential part of managing the crew. The office is multicultural environment where we do have different people from different parts of India. We should respect each and every one and their culture. I understood that even if it is a very tribal thing, in the grand scheme of things, the small things matter. You know what? This is how the entire Uram functions. Uram gives you more freedom to learn from your mistake. This is our duty to never repeat it.
Uram provides a stable and reliable work environment that helps you to fight stress and thereby bringing a balance between your personal and professional life. The output or quality of work, that's what matters at Uram, which gives the flexibility for an employee to work from home in needful situations. The leave policy of Uram is structured in a way that it encourages you to take planned leaves, that gives a break from work and helps you to come back refreshed and rejuvenated without having any impact to our customers.
Traditional wisdom says that work is not supposed to be fun. That's why it's called as work. We Uramites don't really agree to that. All works and no play makes Jack a dull boy. In Uram, we make sure we have fun as we work. For instance, we have fun Fridays every week where we have different kind of activities across our regions. This is a perfect stress buster and also helps in team building.
In Uram, we do induction in a unique way. When newbie join us, we welcome them traditionally. We have classical music played, followed with garlanding, lightning lamps, and gifts with presence of all Uramites. We also have their colorful handprints painted, and we have them connected with each other, and that is how they start their journey and career at Uram.
During festival, we decorate our entire office in a traditional way, as we do in our home. It starts with puja, cultural events, and games like Uriyadi for Pongal, and followed by authentic food varieties. Throughout the year, from New Year to Christmas, we celebrate every festival as a family by spreading love and care.
So I joined Uram at 2015, and just after 9 months, I was asked to travel to Hong Kong, where I'll be working directly with the customers as a business analyst. So even after that, I was given several other opportunities where I started to lead a team, and I started to explore other technologies at Uram. So this would not have been possible if my leads and my managers recognized my work.
Learning is a continuous process and a backbone for any professional. In Uram, we have different initiatives to accommodate learning across the globe. And one such initiative is called Curio Talks, where we'll invite people from Uramites family and they'll share their experience. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. This is the perfect example on how the training environment is in Uram. Uram has one of the best way to welcome their newbies in a very traditional way on their very first day. And especially the way they received was great, which helped us to lose the nervousness we all had in us. The most fascinating thing for me was on our first day they greeted us with the words "Welcome to Uram family," and by the way they welcomed us was 100% true to those words. Right from the introduction till the conclusion of training, each and every day was a huge learning curve for me at Uram. We were given with different variety of scenarios to broaden our understanding and views on different businesses. In order to test our depth of understanding in different topics, we used to have quizzes among ourselves, which increased the curiosity to learn on new topics. At the end of the training, we were given few tasks to be completed based on the training that we had undergone. Feedbacks were given based on our performance to help us to become a better version of ourselves. After all, feedback is the breakfast of champions. All these experiences and the process of self-learning helped us to nurture ourselves with better knowledge, which in turn transformed us from a student into a professional.
Learning milestone starts from the very first project. My first project has a friendly environment with great support which helps me to learn and improve my technical knowledge. I have opportunities to implement my own ideas which gives me confidence on my work. Appreciations are given constantly for the hard work. In Uram, we are working as a team and that is one of the key reasons for our success. We have team outings periodically which helps to build a great bond within the team members. Uram is a great place to get nourishment with responsibility in our career. Talents are respected in Uram. We have several chief officer roles such as Chief Social Wellness Officer, Chief Friday Officer, Chief Event Officer, etc., where we can showcase our interest and creativity outside of the project work in various aspects. When we share knowledge with others, it helps deepen our own knowledge and engrains what we know. Uram has several platforms to share and learn. We have CLPs and project presentation where we showcase our project implementation to all others in our company and get ideas from others also. We have a wide range of technical and non-technical books in the library for our guidance. Uram is always willing to help others. We have Humane, an app that connects genuine NGOs and people in need with genuine contributors. Also, Uram have been associated with the children's home in Chennai, Alayam. Work in Uram comprises of learning, challenge, team, support, fun, responsibility and growth.
The key advantage in Uram is we will have an exponential growth in our career. I agree experience matters, but performance is always respected. My position right now was beyond my imagination when I joined Uram. I am being respected for each and every work I do. I would say Uram is the best place to start your career as you are given the freedom to learn so many other stuffs out of your work. Learning is an inevitable part in all phases of life, and Uram played a major role in enhancing my learnings. I have options to learn out of my domain which I am working. Most importantly, employee wellness is more considered. If there is any situation where we cannot come to office, we are allowed to work from home. I am very proud to say that there is no gender or language-based discrimination. We have different officer roles and we do have elections to select the officers. Other than our actual work, we learn several other managerial and team coordination from this. Uram also gives importance to our families. Uram Day is one best example where we meet our colleagues' families and spend quality time with them. These are some of the things that make Uram unique and one of its kind, which makes every people proud to be a part of Uram family.
Uram has a high degree of value system which is practiced in letter and spirit in day in and day out. I have seen many countries and many companies, many departments over the last 50 years, but my experience with Uram for the last 7 years is indeed the greatest boon given to me so far. Every one of you, if you are selected, you will be learning continuously while you are earning equally better than others. You will get an excellent growth, very transparent atmosphere, an open learning system, and every day there will be a continuous improvement in your career and life. My sincere wishes to everyone who wants to be a part of Vuram family.
We are the happy people of Vuram.